Yeah, definitely.
You want to give a little spiel?
Well, so it was yesterday. Bank of America announced that they will be giving out mortgages.
Mortgage loans.
Mortgage loans, home loans, for minorities, people of color, specifically targeted. Well, aim more toward.
No, specifically minorities.
Yeah, but I mean, in the article they did say, like, you know what I'm saying? Community. They did try to say that it's not just for black communities, like anybody.
Oh yeah,
you know what I'm saying, to make it so it is inclusive, of course. But it's mainly directed to black and Hispanic families and stuff like that. And major, well, not in every city yet, but in major cities like LA, I think Chicago,
Detroit, Charlotte.
Atlanta.
It's only a handful.
Yeah, but like, you know what I'm saying, they're just trying it out first right now, and it really just eliminates all the things that has hindered a lot of people, minorities, and to be best example of getting homes, especially for first time home buyers, the first loans and stuff like that.
Because the parameters of it is that it's not based on your credit, which is the most important thing, but there's no down payment, none of the regular or usual things you have to worry about with buying a house.
Yeah.
And like we said, or the first thing I said, it's not dependent upon your credit score.
Yeah.
So this is one of those things that gives people opportunities because it's based on whether you can pay the bills there.
Yeah, exactly. And it's going off of your bill history.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Your payment history.
So if you have a good repayment history, they'll essentially let you get the house, which opens up the housing market, not just in America in general, but for people of color, and gives more people chances to own houses, because a big part of our generation struggling is housing. A lot of us can't rent, and a lot of us definitely cannot own.
Yeah, because the housing market is shit. On top of that, and the lack of knowledge too. You know
about
buying homes and stuff like that, and the financial literacy and all that. You know what I'm saying? Just in general, to go out there and do that.
Oh, yeah.
Because a lot of people do put themselves in situations as even first-time renters.
Yeah.
In fucked up leasing situations.
Yeah, that's very true.
You know what I'm saying? So it's a lot of ignorance in the whole field of realm of that.
Of being that is very true.
You know what I'm saying?
Just home ownership.
And that just that, you know what I'm saying? That's just with our generation. You know
housing yourself.
Yeah, because I'm a big firm believer that financial literacy wasn't taught in our generation as well.
And see, I would say that, but a lot of people wanted to say we didn't learn how to balance checkbooks.
And the thing about it
and all that shit we did.
No, and the thing about it is I agree that we did, but it wasn't like repeated. Like, you know what I'm saying? It wasn't. I feel like financial literacy is something that should be something like you learn in every year, in every grade.
As far as how to pay taxes and such,
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? That's like something, like at like 7th grade, that's something that should be like implemented with English.
But that's evil because of the sense of because when you can't teach kids taxes because there's no steady tax rate. Taxes are political at the very core of what they are. Yeah. And that's, I agree. I definitely agree that financial literacy should be taught, taxes should be taught, and things like that should be taught. But things like that fluctuate so often, and adults don't even know what they're doing.
That is true.
Look at that. Look at how many well-educated or even financially well-off adults that don't know what the fuck they're doing.
Yeah.
As far as taxes and even mortgages.
Exactly.
You know what I'm saying? So I don't know if that's necessarily something a kid needs to be able to grasp. Or a kid. Buy a mortgage, I'm not sure.
Well, I'm not saying like mortgage.
But I need to grab. But I agree with you at the same time.
Like, you know what I'm saying? Like how to do your taxes. You know what I'm saying? Or, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you pay your damn taxes.
But being able to do your taxes, unless
it's simplified as a motherfucker now.
Unless you're in business and deep in business, it's very easy.
I feel you though. But like you said, I still agree that financial literacy needs to be taught. But this is also still something good though.
Yeah.
The mortgage thing that Bank of America is doing. I still want to find out more about it as they continue to roll it out. And
because I feel like this will be something that I don't know if this will be one of those things like you remember when Wells Fargo was inviting a bunch of people to open checking accounts and was scamming them for a bunch of shit like that. I don't know if it'll be like open extra accounts things, but Bank of America does have a bad track history with just people in America in
Yeah,
general.
exactly. Yeah.
So is this maybe a trap too?
Yeah, because I'm
Giving
trying to figure
people
out
of like the same people we were just talking about, giving them the opportunity to own a house, a property
yeah,
with essentially no credentials,
hmm
but being able to pay your bills.
exactly. Because that's the thing though, like
So if you already own a house, can you own a second one?
exactly. And then it's like, so what is the credit? So what does credit mean in the housing market?
But by saying being able to pay your bills, that's the same thing as credit.
Exactly. That's the
Your
thing.
credit score doesn't matter, meaning your mistakes of the past won't matter
Which is
as
true.
long
Which
as
is
you're free.
which is something that
Yeah, that should definitely happen. As long as your recent credit is
yeah.
good. You know what I'm saying? Short-term memory credit.
Because a lot
As
of
long
it,
as that's good.
major payments is like 5 years. They go like, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Sometimes they go 5 years back credit, but a lot of times they like go like 5 months and shit like that.
Yeah.
Like your past year. You know what I'm saying? Have you kept up with your bills and shit like that?
So do you think yay or nay?
Yay, definitely.
I think it's a thing that I can't say yay or nay on
Mm-hmm.
just because it is going to be.
Off the head. Well, I'm gonna say strictly off the headline purposes. If you know what I'm saying, if I'm seeing this headline walking down the street, I'm like, oh,
If I'm just grabbing a newspaper.
yeah.
Yeah, you're right about that. That's a yay comment. So speaking of yay or